is one our customer use 6 ton per day rice mill plant. And first is paddy inlet. Through the elevator to paddy silo, can soak more paddy. And then through the conveyor transports the paddy to rice mill plant. Through the elevator transports the paddy to rice mill machine. First is paddy clean machine, can remove impurity from paddy. And through the elevator to paddy destoner machine, can remove stone from paddy, get clean paddy. And then is the paddy huller machine, can remove paddy hulls, get brown rice. And then is paddy and brown rice separate, can separate paddy and brown rice. And then the brown rice will come to rice mill machine. And the paddy will back to paddy husk machine. And then is rice mill machine, can let brown rice be white rice. And then is rice grinder machine and rice polisher machine, let the rice surface more smooth and beautiful. Color sorter machine can separate different color rice and impurity. Rice packing machine can package rice into 5 kilo, 10 kilo, and 25 kilo and 50 kilo. Also includes the bag closer.